Hey, this is Ram. Today we are going to see about the new circular issued by SEBI, and I to see some of the videos from other traders on YouTube. But still, I feel that I can bring some clarity to have a better understanding for the retail traders, especially who used to trade in the intraday. So before going into the video, I request you people to please watch the video till the end, so that you won't miss any point, and this video surely will be going to be a short video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, I request you to please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go into the video. So this is the circular basically given by SEBI actually. So based on this only, now lot of traders are having some confusion. Even I too was not having any clear idea about it. And after seeing this circular, one thing is for sure, that initially the margin given by the discount brokers, now we are not going to get that much of a margin for the intraday. So how it is going to affect the margin, let us see here. So in this particular circular, if you see this particular line, require members to collect initial margin and ELM upfront from their clients as applicable at the time of the trade. So here you see, in cash segment as well to mandatorily collect upfront VAR margins and ELM from the clients, which means that initially SEBI have a calculation for each stocks on basis of this VAR margins and ELM. VAR means value at risk and ELM means exposure loss margin. So how it is going to impact, now let us see here. So I am in NSE website now. So after going here, for any particular stock, if you need to see the VAR percentage, we can type here. So I need to see for Asian Paints. So I am selecting here Asian Paints. You can see the value of the stock and other data here. So here you can see this value at risk percentage. So the actual percentage, the margin applicable is 17.3% for this particular stock. So basically, to make it very simple, instead of seeing this in percentage, if we need to see the actual value for buying a particular stock, so we can go here to the live market, and from here you can select the margin calculator, and you will get this page like this. And after this, in symbol, you can type it as Asian Paint. So from here you can select this is EQ equity, and here you can select 1. If you want to buy one quantity, you can select 1, and position will be buy. So here you can see the actual VAR margin and ELM margin, and the actual required margin for buying one particular stock. So the stock price is basically 1704 rupees, and for buying this stock in one quantity you need 294.9 rupees in hand. So upfront you need to pay to the broker in intraday. That is what actually SEBI is insisting now. So basically the broker whoever gave a big number of leverage will not be there from here onwards. Apart from that, I don't know one thing, I couldn't understand one thing, that many people are saying that this is going to be applicable from August 2021. But here in this circular, what I can see, I just now I downloaded this circular, and what I can see here is that the provision of this circular shall come into effect from December 1, that is from this year, December 1st. So I don't know many people how they are saying that this is going to come from August 1, and from December it starts in a phased manner. So if anybody have a clear idea about this particular date of implementation, please comment on the comment section. And apart from that, I had prepared an Excel sheet for a better understanding, and this is basically the stocks are I had selected from Nifty 50, and I had selected all 50 stocks, and I'll give this particular Excel sheet in the description also, so that you can go and download it. But one thing is that you can see here that the existing margin requirement for doing intraday. If suppose we see this particular Adani Ports in a regular order without having any target or a stop loss, which means that we are not going to have a bracket order or a cover order. If we need to do a regular order, for that we need to pay a margin of 20% upfront, and 80% will be given by the broker. So which means that we are going to get a leverage of 5 times. In case we are going to have a bracket order or a cover order, the margin is very less, so we need to pay very less comparatively. So we are going to pay only 12%, and the leverage will be 88%, which means that the broker is going to pay 88% for us, and the leverage is 8 times. Sorry, the times of leverage is 8 times. And for some of the stocks it is very less. If we can see here, you can see here it is for Bajaj Auto. Even for regular order we are going to pay only 9.45%, and if we are going to have a bracket or a cover order, we are going to have only 5.67%. So remaining 94% will be paid up by the broker. So we are going to get a leverage of 18 times. So what will happen now is that we won't have this much of margin benefit from the broker. So which means that for first 5 scripts I had already taken the values from the NSE website, and if you want, you people can add up here, and you can have a clear idea about what is the number of times of leverage and what is the minimum upfront margin required. So here if you see, for Adani Ports, earlier for regular order it is 20%, and here this is almost same. Now also we need to pay 20%, but if in case of bracket or cover order, earlier we used to pay 12%, and from December 1st we need to pay 20% minimum, because there is no additional leverage for any of the bracket order or a cover order. So likewise, this margin percentage will be will have a variation based on the stocks and the VAR value. I think this will be somewhat clear for especially to the retail traders. And if you have any comments on it, please put it in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Thank you. Thanks.